TOGAF standard. So TOGAF standard, as I said, is divided into two main components. One is called the fundamental content and the other one is the series name. So as I said, this fundamental content is the content which is coming from the previous version. In there while the open group thinks that this is the stable content. Okay, so which contains this introduction and core concepts, the ADM architecture development method, which is the process for developing the architecture, ADM techniques, applying the ADM architecture content, and enterprise architecture and capability and governance. Okay, so these are the things that are there in the fundamental content. And the series guides, there are several, I think about 26 series guides in the TOGAF 10. So each topic has its own guide, right? So these are relatively new, so these may change in due course of time, or people may suggest some more modifications to these techniques or guides. So that's why they are separated out, right? So we have series guides for business architecture, information architecture, security, enterprise architecture, agile architecture, enterprise, digital enterprise, like technology architecture, microservices, and SOA architecture, adapting the ADM, how to adapt the ADM and all. So these are all the series guides that we have. And as I said, there are about 26 series guides in the TOGAF library. 3 are annotated, and the content of the, so 3 are annotated and 11 are from the previous standards, sorry. And then 15 are the series guides, right? So in addition, there are some series guides only accessible as viewable to the HTML. Okay. So these are some of the guides, and so all these guides and the whole content is stored in the TOGAF library. So in the open group, so if you go to opengroup.org, you see a library on the top right-hand side, top menu. And under library, we have several libraries. One is the TOGAF library, and the second one is the Archimate library, IT4IT library, OpenPlay library, etc., etc. So TOGAF library is one library which contains everything, right? Some guidelines, some templates, some patterns, right? Some case studies. So there are a huge amount of content in the TOGAF library, and that content is basically divided into 6 categories. One is the fundamental content, and then guidelines to support different architecture style, trends, and methodologies, and support for the architecture areas and domains, and support for the standard used and other standards and frameworks, application in the specific verticals or use cases, and the practical application. Okay.